guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of what we are buying at the grocery store. We are starting this week with some free eggs. I was just putting them in this container. These are beautiful eggs from my parents' farm. Absolutely gorgeous, stunning. Did not pay anything, so 18 eggs going in my fridge. All right, so I had a Costco delivery. My mom was over, she needed ibuprofen. So I was like, I got you. I had a delivery come and it came within like an hour or less. So one thing that's missing from this haul is the 2-pack of ibuprofen. That's just under $16. And I spent $89.67 with tax on really nothing. Oh my God, like $90 almost on nothing. So when you buy with Instacart, these are just a little bit more, so around $7. I wanted to try this Mateo's gourmet salsa. I've heard really good things. I opened it up and I tried it and I'm really not impressed. It's kind of salty. Maybe if I chill it and I put it in the fridge, it'll taste better. Or maybe I'm just spoiled right now because we've been doing our own pico de gallo and it's been absolutely delicious. And I guess it's ruined every salsa for me. I don't know. And then these sardines were on sale on coupon and we really like these and they're in olive oil and this is just gonna go into like our pantry. And then this shaky cheese, the grated Parmesan cheese, this huge thing is 1 pound. I got both of these. They were on coupon for around $14 and that's just gonna go in my backup stock up pile. And then these crispy onions are a fun treat. We always get them around the holidays and yeah, those are gonna be delicious. We can use them in the green bean casserole. My kids like them on salads or just to snack on them. They're great. And then this was kind of expensive. This was just pennies under $17. I remember when they used to be like $7, $8 back in the day. Anyway, but they're a fun treat. So I got that. And then I just got one more of the salts, which is around $9 or $10. I don't know what I spent $89 on. I don't know. I have to look at my receipt and double check all the prices, but does this look like $89 worth of stuff for you? Not one drop of meat, well, besides the sardines, but like, I don't know. I'm just like, I'm going to look over my receipt and double check everything because I feel like it's wrong. I know I've been complaining about prices, but it's crazy to me. Anyways, so I'm going to put this away and then I have a Safeway haul coming tomorrow and I might run to Kroger and see if there's any. I know they have ground beef yet again for $2.99 for the 93 or 92% lean. And it comes out to be just under $9 for 3 pounds. And I'm definitely going to grab those. I like the lean ones. So we're going to have yet more ground beef. And there's no limit on those right now. So that's going to be great. See you guys tomorrow. We have a bucket of these Italian plums. Well, half a little bucket because we already ate through. And then another huge bag that my mom brought from her tree. So super excited to have these. And yeah, lots of goodies. I just went in my garden and I grabbed some more tomatoes and I still have more coming out. That one needs to be used up, but they are beautiful and they smell delicious. So it is Friday and I had a Kroger Fred Meyer delivery. I paid $86.16 and then I got 2 items that should have not been in my order. And I actually called them and I said, if somebody wants to come pick them up, and they said to just keep it. These were delivered with Instacart. And I said, if you want to send someone from Instacart, they can come get it because it was not my stuff. But anyway, so the goldfish I grabbed, I had them give me 5 and they were $1.67 each. I remember when these used to be like 99 cents, but now they're $1.67 on sale. So grab those. I grabbed these beautiful blueberries. They were $2.77 on sale. And then these cute little cucumbers, baby cucumbers. These are already gone. The kids are going to just devour these probably tonight or tomorrow. And these are $1.49 only. And then since the cold weather is coming up, I decided I need to stock up on some of these beef stew packages. And these were pretty inexpensive at 59 cents. So I just grabbed 2 for the pantry. And then my son needed some writing journals for school, for college, and these were $1.19, so cheaper than the Dollar Tree now. And then the Prego ended up being, I think, $167. They were 3 for $5 on coupon. And then the Colgate was 99 cents, limit of 5. And I have put I have put 3 of these and then 2 of a different kind, but they were out. And whenever I do a digital coupon online, I never let substitutions with Kroger because they would have literally substituted with something that was like $5 or something like that. So on almost everything, I always put no substitutions or else you get expensive stuff. So anyway, these were 99 cents each. Again, cheaper than Dollar Tree now. Sour cream, this is 1 pound for $1.99. Great price. I believe this was $1.25 or $1.29. So yeah, just put that in our stockpile. Betty Crocker cake mix, 99 cents. These were, I think, $2.49 and they're originally like $6.99. So great deal on those. Folgers was, I believe, $10.99 or $9.99. Their Simply Truth organic juices were $1.50, so $1.49. Very good price. These sausages were $2.99. I wish they were $1.99. $2.99. I grabbed 2, and honestly, I'm not even going to freeze these. I'm just going to put them in the fridge because we'll go through them very quickly. And then I ordered 7 of these ground beef. These are the 93 lean. They're $2.99 a pound, so this would have been just under 9 pounds. They only had 4, so I grabbed 4, and I can always just go by in the morning or something and just grab some more. So I grabbed 4, and these will go straight into the freezer because we don't have time to process them, to do anything with them right now. I don't know if I told you guys, but my husband's expanding our back deck, and it's a lot of work. So we're doing that. So that's going to go in the freezer. And then these are the 2 items that I did not order. They're not mine. Some Kroger olive oil and this toothbrush. We have the Sonicare, so we have electric toothbrushes, but I guess we could always throw this in our RV and use it when we're on the road. So this is what I got for just a little over $86. And I'm super excited because this is the 93 lean, which is really nice. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys this haul. And if I go in and get some more, I'll let you guys know, but I probably will. I'll go get more of that. I forgot that I had a Walmart haul coming. I paid $50.48 and they had some substitution. I needed the number 48 and they gave me a 1 instead. That's not gonna work, but that's okay. I got this huge bag of ground sugar and this is 25 pounds. It was just under $14, 13 something, way cheaper than Costco. Costco, I think, is around 25. So better price at Walmart. And sugar. This huge thing of distilled vinegar, I think around $3 or 2 something, not even bad. And then I got some pickling spice, some celery seed, and some other pickling spice. I just want to try a few different ones, see which ones we like. And then since winter is coming, I'll be making a lot of chili, so it made sense to pay around $6 and get a huge thing of chili seasoning. And then some blueberry pie filling. I absolutely love it. And then our Caesar salads. I haven't gotten them for a while, and these are just under $5. Some powdered sugar for around $1.78, and then a birthday card for $2.99 that was substituted. And oh my gosh, it's supposed to be for a guy. I can't use that. Or maybe we'll just make it as a joke and make it fun, and I'll use it anyway. Anyways, it's my husband's birthday tomorrow, and he's definitely not turning 18. But yeah, this is what I got for around $50 at Walmart. So, yeah, I don't know why it's so much. Well, this was like $1.99, and then this was like, again, really cheap. And this was, I think, $4. So yeah, I guess it adds up. Anyway, this is what we have so far. There's baby girl Mocha, our little bunny. I got her out and she's just hopping around. I got her from her cage. If we have any more hauls coming, it is Saturday and it is my husband's birthday, so I decided to have a quick Costco delivery. We are making burgers, and so I had them order me I ordered some burger buns. Every year for his birthday, we always have these tiramisus because every year for his birthday, they always go on sale. So this was just under $10. And then I got some kombucha just because it was on sale and it's delicious. We like that. And then he loves these chocolates and they ended up being just around 12 bucks. So great deal on that. And then I ordered a cake, a tuxedo cake, and I had them write happy birthday, Doreen. And yeah, so all this I think was around $59. But this is for his birthday. And yeah, super excited. These are so awesome because there's 6 of them and the jars are glass so we can reuse them. It's a great deal. And I bet you before, they are made in Italy, looks like. I bet you before the sale goes away, I'm going to order at least 1 or 2 more sets. We love those little glasses and we love the tiramisu and it's delicious.
With it, group drop. Like come on and know